We are going to Mexico. 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 Good morning, you guys. We are on day 3 of our Disney cruise on the Wish on Disney's Halloween at Seas. We are on our port day. It's only one port. We're going to Ensenada, Mexico. We brought pesos. We're ready. We're not doing any excursions. It was very last minute. But nonetheless, Brendan's excited to get some snacks. I'm excited to get some medicine. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. We went to Trident for breakfast. Brendan, how was your breakfast? The service was great. They're always so great. It did take forever for the food though. We are back on the bus. I filmed very little for you guys. We just walked around. We didn't take the bus to the actual Ensenada. We just stayed in the boulevard. I don't like Ensenada. I really don't. There's a bunch of Oxos and 7-Eleven, so we bought chips. I'll show them to you later and give you like what you should buy because you know I love Mexican food. Brendan was disappointed.
I wasn't disappointed.
We were just hoping
it was cool.
It was no Cabo.
Yeah, it's like a street.
It's a street. Yeah, I mean, again, you can take the bus and you can go.
Sugar skull I like.
Yes, I'll show that to you later too.
I didn't find a bear, just switch it over. That's going.
Yeah, we didn't do excursions. So there's more than just the street. We stayed at the street. I just don't feel like taking a bus.
I'll probably do for a little bit.
We are waiting to leave the bus, which was interesting because the guy passed the guy on the motorcycle, and he's like, "Where's the bus at?" And he's like, "It's coming." And he's like, "You know that I'm like when the guests wait." And I was like, interesting, because I feel like they always wait.
Yeah.
But I thought we were expected to wait because it's 10 to 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. But yeah, we're going back to the boat. I think we're going to go straight to lunch because lunch ends at 1:15. So we're going to be scurrying along. And then, I don't know from there. I haven't looked at the navigator to see what today is. We did eat at one restaurant. It was really cute. The cochinita pibil was the best part. And I had a sope, and the sope with beans was really good.
Good portions.
The mole was not good. Good portions for the price. It was really good. And we got drinks, and they seemed very nice. We felt safe. Yeah. I think in this trip you feel pretty safe, honestly. But still be cautious. Ensenada, Mexico. Oh! Hold on, you guys. They're seals. You guys see the seals? So cute! so cute. What a view. Let's walk around, you guys. It's not in Mexico. You are gonna have to take 2 buses. You could walk there. We took a bus. $4 each round trip. I would suggest you do it. It's not too bad. We did have to wait around 15 minutes each way. So pretty.
I'm Cars, and we are Great Obi Drop! We are on a recon mission here in Sector 4 in search of the elusive Blue Crayon. It is the duty of Great Obi Drop to retrieve said crayon and return to nature. First recruits, we need to go over some basics. Ready to begin? Let me hear a Sarge, yes, Sarge! Sarge, yes, Sarge! Sarge says present legs. present elbows. To the rear. I didn't say Sarge says. Troops, about face. About face.
You didn't say Sarge says Sarge.
Sarge says about face. No. Sarge says face forward. You're now honorary members of the Green Army Patrol. You're now honorary members of the Green Army Patrol. It looks like this, but it's blue, everyone. Hello there. The troops, salute. Oh, wait, turning soldiers. Turning soldiers.
There you go.
Are you dancing? Yes. Like Latin music?
And that is it. And he is graduating. He's going to the Incinerator University. So, let's take a moment to reminisce. You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You were my... I don't know the lyrics, you know?
I know.
Yeah, okay. Sad song that makes you cry. Sad song that makes you cry. I'm gonna keep singing this sad song. It's gonna make some of you cry. Hopefully I'll sell some records. No, not Pluto, because I don't want to spoil today's drawing. Sad song that makes you cry. There's more drama. We could be here till tomorrow. Cause I'm the only one that does the show. Here's Goofy. What else do I?
Oh.
Has a little star on my driver's license has it too. It's true. What? Pluto! How are you? You came over to check out our class? Fantastic. Look. It's fire night, isn't it? So we gave you a nice big hat with a nice big feather. Sort of like Captain Hook, right? Yeah, but this one's nice. This one's better. You're not like Captain Hook. Now, how about everybody shows their drawings to Pluto? So put them up so you can see them.
This is
See, they did the feather as well.
It's a broken mirror. I apologize.
It's like staring at a mirror made of paper. Now, Pluto, come on over. Let's do a little experiment with them. If you stand close to my drawing, everybody, what did I forget to draw? That's right, the whiskers. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right over there. Perfect. Pluto, let's give them all a big round of applause.
Yeah, look at those outfits. I know, we're all decked out for Pirate Night. How about you guys? You gonna get some costumes? Yes, we're gonna try. Okay. We're gonna make it work. I think you should have some pirate bandanas. Yes, I did see those. Yes. Awesome. Thanks. New outfit. Look at that. Look at Stitch. No eye. You guys look adorable. How you guys?
Like Pirates to say your name. Thank you. And we'd like to welcome you to A Pirate's Life for Me.
Well, tonight, we'll determine who can be worthy of joining Captain Sparrow in school.
So if you've been ready to party like a pirate, let me hear you say hi. Hi.
Swab the deck!
Swab the deck, you swabs!
I need some supplies for this.
We will. Now for this here, swab the deck. Very good. Now come on, right. Why can't pirates ever finish saying the whole alphabet? Because they always get lost at sea.
All right, but now it's time to hear it for the stars of the show. They want to know why Captain Hook is here. Let's swap the deck immediately.
Captain, we were about to swap the deck. Sorry, it's so dirty. It was not me, it was the Jolly Rogers.
It was not working at all.
Hey guys, I haven't seen you guys in a really long time. We went to Pirate's Life for Me show. How to be a pirate, pirate training, pirate 101. We're pirates. We went to a show where they teach you how to, no they don't. It's like a games for pirates. It was cute, definitely kid-centered, but at the end of it, Captain Hook comes out and takes pictures, so that's fun. Then we went to Pirate Trivia. We did awful. We joined...
It's not Pirate Trivia, it's Pirates of the Caribbean Trivia.
Oh, it is Pirates of the Caribbean Trivia.
No, it's called Pirates Trivia.
Oh yeah, it's a total Pirates of the Caribbean Trivia.
The quizzes, because they're not what they sound like on the outside.
Yeah, so
very specific.
so in these quizzes, they're very specific to Pirates of the Caribbean, about the actors and images. If you want to cheat on any of this, just let me know because we'll remember some trivia questions. We lost, but we joined this really nice couple who let us join them. But we had drinks. The drinks of the day are so good during Pirate Day. You do get a little like thingy. I'll show it to you guys later. And you dress like a pirate. This is my pirate outfit, best I could. And then I have like bell sleeves. Can't get more piratey than that. Brendan's dressed as Star Wars. He says that it's pirate enough because they steal stuff.
I have a shirt. It's Mos Eisley's Cantina.
Yeah, but why is it pirate?
Because they're like space smugglers.
Space smugglers, which are pirate space pirates.
It's like pirates but in space.
We're at dinner. We're back at Arts Palette, Animator's Palette, and we have cornbread today, and it's been one of my favorite things. I don't know if it's my favorite thing, but it's top 3. I'm gonna ask for more, and then I'm gonna try this mango soup. I just got it to be adventurous, but I'm probably not gonna eat it. I'll try it, but as you guys know, I'm a picky eater. Come to a cruise if you're not a picky eater, for sure, because I'm sure you would be like, I want everything. B and I are having a hard time.
Or it forces you to be.
But yeah, this place is so cool. If you look in the background as I was talking this whole time, they do different animations, and today it's all pirates. So it's really cool. You know what would be cool? If Johnny Depp was on the cruise and just showed up. Well, that's that. I'll let you guys know how dinner is, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Tonight's going to be very busy and packed, so I'm excited. Brendan's also excited, kind of.
Ye scallywag, and that ye bill rat scallywags and buccaneers. Ye come seek an adventure and salty old pirates, eh? Well, you have come to the right place. Batten down the hatches! Oh, that's what we do with a lazy pirate. That's what we do with a lazy pirate. Early in the morning. Are the finest bunch of pirates I have seen. Your noble pirate kinship, but never as a face covering, savvy?
Alright, you guys, so this is what we came to for Pirate Night, and we have Dead Men Tell No Lies. No tails. A little coins. I think it's supposed to look like a skull. And then we did get little envelopes for service. And then we trust you are having an acceptable voyage. As a convenience, we have added gratuities of $13.50 per day for each member of your party to onboard account. So that's, how much do we pay per day?
It's 27.
27. So yeah. There is pictures, by the way, you guys. We don't do pictures, so sorry, I have no information for you on pictures. I know they take a lot of pictures. You can buy the package beforehand for cheaper, and yeah, and you can get unlimited, or you can buy separate ones. You can look at them in the photo lounge and decide which ones you want. We don't take pictures, so I don't have much experience other than that. Are you ready? Are you ready? He's so excited for the Lion King. Hi, you guys. I am freezing. Freezing.
Yeah,
I'm sure there's blankets. You gonna figure it out for me?
I think you say yes.
I'm freezing. I get cold easily. So we're gonna watch the movies out here. We're gonna watch Lion King. There's nothing else to do right now because people are taking pictures. It's pirate night. There is no pirate like party, which sucks. A lot of things were canceled. Just a heads up. I'll do a final review of if it was worth it at the end. But there's a lot of canceled and weird things. We're trying to figure out Gratuity too because they include it, but I think you can give extra. I don't know. I'm really confused about it. I'll let you know once I figure it out. I guess the pool's still open, but I don't know who would swim. I am freezing. I think it's warm though, so maybe it would be fun to swim and watch a movie.
Welcome to our humble home.
You live here?
We live wherever we want. Your home is where your rope rests.
It's beautiful.
Not the mood at all.
Oh, you been? here the whole movie.
Welcome to Disney Cruise where nothing's allowed to not be happy.
And it's the fighting
You
scene.
called him a murderer. It's
It's so happy. Hold on, let me show you. Look how happy the music is. And it's like the death scene at the end. And it sucks because I haven't seen this movie in a long time and I really wanted to like, you know, finish it.
Oh, and my climax is very important.
Don't worry about it, Scar.
Hakuna
Hakuna Matata, my dude.
Uh-oh.
This is an outrage.
That's the fighting scene. How are we doing this right now?
Hakuna Matata, okay?
This is so not Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
He's fighting him on a volcano.
Philosophy.
I want to go swimming.
Go for it. Brendan's having fun. Fireworks are beautiful. Short. But beautiful. He's competing with an imaginary friend. Hi you guys, this is the second time I filmed this. That's how tired I am. I did not press record. Since you last saw us, we saw the fireworks show. It was really cute, but really short. It's at 30 minutes. It was like 3 minutes. But it was cute. It was fun. It was nice to go outside and look at the ocean. And then from there we went to the love game where they picked 3 different couples and they put them on stage and they quizzed them on things. It's so funny. It's always fun to also see what we would answer for each other. But we're not one of the couples. They usually pick like a brand new couple, the couple with the most years, and then the couple in the middle. And yeah, it was really fun. We went to refill our waters and then we're back in the room. Tomorrow's our last day at sea. But I need to wake up early so I can go draw stitch. I think it's been my favorite thing so far is drawing. And that's it. So I'm going to try to sleep in, but we'll see because today we're pretty rocky. Yeah. Other than that, B, what was your favorite thing you ate today? What was the favorite thing you ate? For me, it was the chicken. I actually liked my dinner. I really liked the chicken I ate and the cornbread.
I guess the tacos.
Brendan liked the tacos.
It was good. Yesterday was better.
We ate at Ensenada. We went to I asked the locals there where to eat. And so we went to this little place and they had cochinita pibil tacos that were really good. And they had sopes that were really good. But yeah, overall, pretty good day. One more day. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to start packing because I'll get sad. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps on my channel. I'm seeing all these YouTubers around the boat and I'm like, I feel so tiny. And so all your support helps and I'll get more confident, I'm sure. Okay, until next time, adios.